So as you practice the mudra, the pran is sealed in that portion of the body and sealed to be slowly released. So healing carries on through the day. Good. Now form the Chinmay Mudra. Index finger and the thumb gently touching each other, the other three fingers folded in. Sealing the energy in the brain, in the upper portion of the face, eyes, nose, mouth, sinus, back of the head. So this mudra prepares you for meditation, prepares you for concentration, bringing the mind to a stillness, point of stillness. It takes away the pressure from the brain, aids in insomnia. Good. Now bring your awareness down to the chest, open the three fingers into the Dhyan Mudra. So as the mind becomes purified, the pran will flow wherever the mind goes, and the mind will go wherever the pran goes. And the breath will follow them. So mind, breath, pran all move in unison. Good. Coming further down to the navel, thumb at the base of the little finger, fold the hand over it. Good. Coming lower down to the lower abdomen, Vyanahoti Mudra, middle two fingers and the thumb touching, index finger and the little finger open. Good. Now come down to Danda Mudra. Both fists, thumb is stretching up. Your awareness is on the spine. Energy moving and being sealed in the nervous system, central, sympathetic, parasympathetic. Good. Now release the hand. Just rub your hands slowly. Don't lose your awareness. As you rub your hands and massage the fingers from the base to the tip one by one of both hands, you will gently take your awareness towards the top of the head. Now completely relax your body. Relax the shoulder, drop it down. Surrender your body weight to the ground. Once again, slowly rub your hands. And when you rub and touch your body, give it a respect and love for the body temple. Once again, stopping on those areas of your body where you have a difficulty, might be the chest, the stomach, or the joints, right down to the feet, to the toes, the bottom and top of the feet, the front and back of the knees. Sometimes with the even open eyes, you see the particles of pran in front of you. And when you're doing all this, it just comes around and coagulates with you. And then it dissipates again. But then as you keep practicing, the coagulation and the formation of the pran stays around your body more and more. And always available to you, no?